Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we have this video. I'm gonna be testing the KTM 390 on this track. It's not a track, but I call it a track because here's where I come and test the bikes that I buy. We're here at the Imperial Valley Mall, and today we're gonna do a test lap on the KTM 390, aka La Bonita. I was gonna make my way to a desert ride to go explore, but I wasn't allowed. They told me right now they're doing some training over there, so I wasn't allowed to go over there. Hopefully next week I can bring you this video of the new trail that I'm gonna go explore. But today we're gonna bring you this time lapse on this KTM 390. See how powerful it is. First thing is first, you always want to put your seatbelt on. You always want to put the seatbelt. What I mean by seatbelt, your helmet and seatbelt. Right here. I forgot to put it on. Safety first, guys. Safety first. And we have our timer here. We have our timer and all that. So we're here where it's gonna end. Let's see. As soon as we start. There we go, let's go. Let's see how fast we can take this thing. Let's see how fast we can take this. You don't have a lot of lean on it. It's not like the Ducati. We can do a lot of leaning. And this one we can do. It got power, baby. Ready to race. Sure there's no cars. There we go. There we go. Come on. Woo-wee! 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 Brake, 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 brake. Come on, come on, come on, brake. There we go. Okay, let's brake, let's brake. Downshift, damn. Feel like a MotoGP racer. Come on. You don't have a lot of lean. Hopefully we break a record today, guys. Next time I'm gonna be sunny, we're gonna do a lap as well and see what's going on. Come on. Nothing but power, baby. Release that power! We're releasing the power, gentlemen. We're releasing the power. Woo-wee! Come on, power! Whoa, 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 whoa. It got hard brakes. Alright, we made it. Ah, then I fucking got it. Let me see. Let me see what happened. Oh, I recorded the track and all that. That's crazy. Let me get out of the way. Gonna see, this was kind of fast, guys. I'm gonna see, I'm gonna check the time and all that, see how fast were we going. Okay. All tracks share the same width. Save. Okay, let me see. Come on. Can I see my track or no? Let me see. I don't think it's gonna give me the time and all that. Saves the track but doesn't give me the time. Man, that would be nice if we can just save it. Doesn't let me save it. I guess we're gonna need to do another lap, guys. We got the Blue Angels out here today. Alright, we're gonna do one more lap. Hopefully we can go a little bit faster. One more lap, guys. One more lap. We got the KTM power here. KTM. So we'll see if we can go a little bit faster, guys. This is lap number 2. Guess lap number 1 it was saved, but I want to see the numbers. Here we go, let's go. You brake here. Make sure there's no cars, and then you release the power. KTM power ready to race. Release the power. 3rd gear. You start braking. Go all the way to 1st gear. Get the power going. We want that horsepower coming in. Nothing but horsepower. There we go. We start braking. 2nd gear. You want that power right away. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yo we want to see where you're braking, because está cañón. Está cañón, caballeros. Aquí está cañón. Vámonos, 1. Wow. Como los profesionales, caballeros. Vamos a brequear. Vamos, 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 el poder. Eso, KTM. Como esta moto está más chica, siento que hace mejor que la Ducati, pero vamos a traer la Sunny acá para darle una aventura. Cambio 6, eso. Hubo pinche poder, caballeros. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Ahí está. Ahí está, caballero. 2 minutos. 2 minutos, 30 millas. Una punta algo mía. ¿Qué hule? Ahí está, caballeros. Se hizo. Se hizo, caballeros. 2 minutos. 1.2 millas. En 2 minutos. So, algo bien. Aquí está. Aquí está la Bonita. Tiene suficiente poder, como ven. El acelerador está fregadazo. El la grip está bien fregón el grip, pero no te puedes hacer lean tanto porque tiene llantas delgaditas, miren. Tienen las llantas delgaditas o no te puedes hacer lean tanto como la Ducati. Pero otra que venga, voy a traer la Ducati y voy a hacer también una carrera, una vuelta así recio, a ver qué tanto duramos. Me voy a traer el GPS, voy a poner todo lo rápido y todo en el description, para lo que quieran leer. Les traigo este video corto, caballeros, como les comenté. Debí aquí al desierto a explorar este camino. Afortunadamente no se hizo, que porque estaban entrenando allá los aviones, no pude agarrar permiso, pero me dijeron que para el otro sábado sí puedo ir a explorar ahí donde quiero ir. No se pierdan ese video, va a estar bien interesante. Y espero que les guste este video. Este fue el poder de la KTM 390 CCs Aventura. Eso me quebró ahí, pero no pasa nada. No pasa nada, caballeros. Caballeros, muchas gracias. Espero traerles más videos y ahí los vemos para la próxima. Muchas gracias, caballeros. Bye.